In this video, we're going to learn how to boil water for tea. First, we have to put our water in the pan. Now what I do is I fill up the cup that I'm going to use and I put that in the pan, like so. No, I'm just kidding. I put it and I just pour it directly in. Then, we light. Now there are 5 different stages of bubbles, and those 5 different bubbles give you your temperatures. The first stage we're going to show you is shrimp eyes, which is little tiny bubbles. That's about 160 degrees. It makes fine teas like Gyokuro Imperial and other shade-grown teas. Then you have crab eyes, which is for regular green tea. There's just a little bit bigger. So that's 175 degrees. This is all in Fahrenheit, by the way. Then you have fish eyes, which are again bigger. That's about 180 degrees. You're getting to number 4, and then you have the rope of pearls. The rope of pearls is a soft rolling boil. That's about 200 to 205 degrees, and that is your perfect temperature for brewing any kind of black tea, or even some darker oolong teas. And number 5 is your raging torrent. That is the full rolling boil. Full rolling boil is traditionally is 212 degrees, and that is used for any kind of herb. So all the herbal teas we're going to show you, to a full rolling boil, that's what you want to use. Right here, you have the beginning of the shrimp eyes, right there. And it's getting really fast into the crab eyes. You have shrimp eyes here, and you have more so of crab eyes out here. Can you see that? And we're getting more, yep, that's definitely crab eyes. And we're getting more into fish eyes now. We've got fish eyes over here, and then you have some shrimp eyes and crab eyes. So it's not fully all the same temperature, of course. And now you see you're getting the rope of pearls. That's about 205 degrees. There you go. You definitely have it right there. You're at about 205 degrees. Once you see that, you're good to go. See how fast that took to get to temperature on the stove. And I have the setting at high as well, just to make it faster. And now, the last stage, we're entering the raging torrent, the full rolling boil. And that's what you need to know to boil your water for tea.